Let's now look at the overall Ansible flow of our complete cluster. So we have bastion host. So we'll be running Ansible through bastion host, and we'll running this command Ansible playbook -i inventory k8s.installer.yaml, right? k8s-installer.yaml, that would call these YAML files, Kubernetes role, k8s setup role, or add label worker role. From there it will call the required roles, and then that's how the task would run on required nodes. That's how the overall flow would be. Like k8s-installer.yaml would call YAML files such as k8s setup.yaml, Kubernetes role.yaml, or add label workers node add label workers.yaml. That would in turn will call Kubernetes roles, k8s setup.yaml, k8s Kubernetes role.yaml, sorry, k8s setup role, Kubernetes role. And I'll show you the example now. Let me show the example. So if I see k8s-installer.yaml, so here are all the YAML files defined in this with host list. We'll run a particular host list. So let's for example let's take Kubernetes role.yaml. So this is the YAML file it will call, or we'll take add label worker role. Yeah, let's check now. Kubernetes worker Kubernetes role.yaml. Let's check Kubernetes role.yaml. Sorry, I'm opening Kubernetes kubectl role.yaml. So it should be Kubernetes role.yaml. Sorry for that. Yeah. So in this YAML file, roles are defined. See, role is importing role. So we are importing role through this YAML file. So it is calling this YAML file, and through this YAML file we are getting to the role. Let's get into the role now. And add label workers. It will be straightforward playbook which I'll be running on particular servers. So that's how it is. Host list is mentioned, and if we check the role, Kubernetes role, this is the Kubernetes role which it will run. So I have defined that role in that YAML file. So through that YAML file it will call this role, and that's how the implementation work. That's how the overall flow would be. That's all.